Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm repairing an HP P2035 printer. When a print job is sent, the printer's lights blink as if it's losing power, and then it automatically reboots. With small printers, I've encountered power board failures on Canon machines, showing similar symptoms like power loss and automatic rebooting. So first, I'll pull the power board out and check it. Remove the two side covers first, then take off the rear cover of the printer. Unplug all connectors from the board. Push the power board downward, then carefully lift it out. Be careful with the cable and the switch wiring attached to the left side. Last time with a Canon printer, I had a problem with the power filter capacitor on the power board. So now, I'll start by removing the power capacitor to check it. This power filter capacitor has a value of 120 microfarads. I measured its value to be 103 microfarads, which clearly indicates that the capacitance has decreased and it needs to be replaced with a new capacitor. I found a 180 microfarads capacitor on an old power board from a Ricoh fax machine. Does anyone remember those old fax machines from back in the day? Leave a comment and let everyone know. I'll use isopropyl alcohol to clean the surface of the power board, and then dry it off before reinstalling it into the machine. Alright, now let's print a few test pages. The printer is working fine again. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.